Why luck follows certain people. You want to be lucky, right? You see people being lucky and having the Lamborghinis, the Ferraris, the yachts, the gorgeous women, the gorgeous men, everything they look at. Well, it comes with this one trait, and you need to learn about it. And I bet you that if you do, your life will be different in as soon as 1 week. So let's get to it. But before we do, I teach people how to be millionaires. I teach people how to truly start believing that they're millionaires, their assumptions and their shifts in personalities. I have a program which is absolutely brilliant. Lots of people in it, they adore it. We get stuff done. This is a working program to design to get results. This is not, I'll go to a program and I'll learn something and nothing will ever happen. No, this is results driven. I will push you into having results. And we are starting the second half of it. People are so happy. And I started waiting list for the next row, for the next rolling out. So go to the description of the video, find the waiting list, sign up because you need to do this. If you don't know how to feel like a millionaire before the money can arrive, because you have to feel like it before it can arrive, you need this program. Sign up for it, waiting list in the video description. So you're talking about feeling lucky. Well, I have breaking news for you. Luck doesn't exist. Luck doesn't exist. What exists is your self-talk, what you think, your thoughts. That's what exists. And you can talk yourself into luck, or you can talk yourself out of it. And the lucky people are not doing anything different to anyone else. It doesn't matter if they're born into wealthy families or not born to wealthy families. There's lots of people who are born into wealthy families and have no money and end up homeless on the street. That has nothing to do with it. You can build your luck. You can turn your luck around. And I'll tell you how now. But you need to watch till the end of the video. By the way, push the subscribe button, push the bell icon so you're notified every time I release a new video because you need to watch more videos to understand how easy it is to manifest, how you can get things in 1 second. Absolute majority of things I ask for, I get in 1 second, latest 1 hour. That's when I'm bored. It's like really, really, really easy. So if luck doesn't exist and you can build this, have you ever had the situation when you were a small child and, your knee was full of blood and your mommy says, don't worry, it'll get better? It's that mindset. It's that mindset. The people who have luck always say, it's going to be fine. It's going to end well. It's always going to work out for me. I don't need to worry about it. They program themselves not to worry about, oh my God, I was supposed to submit this paperwork. Oh my God, I was supposed to submit this report. Oh my God, I was supposed to pay this thing. Oh my God, the car service is due and I forgot about it. They don't do that. They say, oh yeah, it'll sort itself out. I don't care. Oh yeah, yeah, I'll sort it out. Yeah, it will be sorted out. Yeah, I don't care. It's okay. Everything's always working out for me. They have calm about them, which you need to project. You're working more from chaos, and we all do if under extreme pressure, but absolute majority of the time I work from, yeah, it'll be fine. I don't care. It's going to be all right. Because everything always works out for me and I'll always get what I want. And you need to start believing this. If you do not believe this, there is no luck. You need to be calm. You need to believe that manifesting and everything else works instantly. And everything always works out for you. Even if there's a problem, it'll work itself out. I don't need to do much. I just need to remain calm. And you know what the feeling is like? Like I'm sitting in this chair and I'm dreaming what's going on around. I'm just looking at it. There's a glass wall around me and I'm just looking at it, what the people are doing, what's happening around me. It has nothing to do with me. I'm just an observer. That's what it feels like. Like, yeah, let them do that. Let's do that. Yeah, I don't care. I'm fine because I'm okay. I know I'm okay. I know I'm safe and everything's working out for me. That's how you have to feel. And then the luck just comes to you, it runs to you, it's flying towards you. Because when you're calm and you're not jumping between parallel reality, I don't have it, I have it, I don't have it, I have it, I don't have it, I have it. Can I have it? When is it going to happen? How is it going to happen? Where is it? No, 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 no. You're jumping between different parallel realities. While the person who is sitting there like, it's going to be okay, is in one parallel reality where everything works. And that's why they seem to be lucky. It's not that they have special abilities or special intelligence or special education or special something. They just sit in one place, they observe the world, and they know that everything always works out for them. They're calm. They don't freak out. So be this person, and you will be incredibly lucky. And I wish you all the luck in the world. But you don't need me to wish it to you because you can do it yourself very easily.